Welcome back to GVRP, and we will be reviewing the Google update. So let's go straight into it. So we walk into the beautiful roadmap dealership. Taking a little longer because it's lag. Get off my screen! And as I was saying, it's taking a little bit longer because we're playing this game and we're gonna use it. And Bluey, we got like 9 new vehicles, maybe no, it's different. 11 new vehicles, I believe. So the first vehicle is the 1940 for this one, you get the leader wagon. I love it. These leader sedan looks nice. Skipper sedan Scotty. Skipper sedan deluxe. Okay, I'm not gonna click anymore because you know when the brakes when I click too many. Particular vehicle here, so it's not really my favorite. I don't know a single person who ever bought this car, so I really do not know what the hype about this car is. It's not really hype. I don't know what I'm saying. So yeah, looks kind of nice to me. If you want to know, I own 4 premium all-wheel drive with the Pilot AW. Do anything? Oh, never mind. I thought they had license. This Lexus. It is beautiful. Now somebody said it has window wipers. And they said every car in Greenville has window wipers. But I feel like they're just saying it's more but that's not. Anyway, so we're going to talk about FPS. Animated? More just something about it. Then we got the 2025 Star E Saloon. They got it's electric as well. Looks pretty good. Next page we have 3 more vehicles. We'll go to the 2026 first ones. So the cooking last. So the 2025 looks good, 604 horsepower, that's nice. We got the 2026 Bristol Circles, so like the blue one, and then last but definitely not least, the 2025 Mustang Circle Convertible. This is it will look immaculate. So I have some of the cars, update cars, so I'm gonna buy the rest of this soon. So we're gonna go through the doors of the dealership. Ignore the 2024 Bandit. I'm gonna sell that. I'm not really skeptical about the vehicle. So yeah, we're gonna keep going, scrolling here. And the first car is right here, the 2008 KCS Empire. recent video of the Greenville update secrets. So we'll see you guys next time on GQ. Please tell me this video was recording. Yes, it was. We'll see you guys.